Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Pad, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the system option. Let's tap on it. As you can see, on the third position we've got date and time, so let's enter. And before we will be able to manually change the date and time, we have to turn off the network provided time and time zone. So let's tap on this option, pick off. And here we have to, actually we do not have to turn off anything more. So right now we are able to manually change the date and time. So let me pick firstly the date. As you can see from this calendar, we can pick the one we would like to set. So I will pick, for example, this one. Let's tap on OK. And it will be immediately changed. The same situation with the time, we can pick it from this clock. So let me set 10 o'clock, for example. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it will also immediately apply to the status bar. Of course, we can change the time zone also. Just tap on it and tap on a region. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. Let me hide the keyboard. So all you have to do right now is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one. And as you can see, it is immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Remember, I've set 10 o'clock, right now we've got 11. What's more, here we can decide what kind of clock format will be used. So right now we are using local default. Of course, we can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. And right now we can manually decide if we want to use 24-hour format, just like now, or 12-hour format, so just by tapping on the switcher here. And it will be immediately applied also. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on the switcher and tap on this option to use network provided time. As you can see, you can also use GPS provided time if you wish. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your REALME Pad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.